risotto and bolognese. Hi guys, it's Sunday afternoon. Me and Cody have a last minute decision. He wants to drill some lights in an apartment, so I'm gonna tag along as we always do. This is what I'm wearing. I have this really cool top from Boohoo, my Gold Day jeans, my Princess Polly jacket, and my YesStyle bag. And yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup in the car just a little bit. This light is so crazy yellow, but excuse that. This is the before. Alright guys, this is Cody doing all of the work while I accompany him and play with my phone. The Asian in me has to take my shoes off. I've been assigned to open boxes. This is what it looks like if you guys are curious for track lighting. And then it doesn't come with a bulb. It's just like the holder. So track light, that's what it's called. Track head. It's a track head. Ooh. Then you just buy the bulb separately. Pop them in. So. She's okay. That's bad. Oh, these are definitely durable. Sorry, bulb. Didn't mean to do you like that. I didn't mean to hurt you, baby. Okay, and then this is my done pile. Well done. They all have bulbs. Bulbies.
Like day by day, like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow.
This is what it looks like on. It's so pretty. So pretty. So pretty?
Yeah. Well, no, it's my work. What are you talking about? If I do this myself,
stupid. And there's light. Yeah, I mean, as you guys know, with COVID and everything, it's hard to rent. So hopefully with the lights, it will help. So yeah. Hello.
Quarter mile. Your destination will be on the left.
Oh, we're here already. We're eating at Sugarfish now. Hopefully the wait isn't long. Since it's around, is it dinner time? Oh no, it's not. It's 4:46.
that's why I'm not hungry.
Oh, okay.
You're late. I ate at like about 2:30.
We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
We're here. We're eating here.
Shrimp for.
We're here. We're doing the pick 10.
I'm gonna try one.
So we're gonna pick 10. Is anyone getting tuna?
Oh yeah, I think we should color it first.
Okay.
Can we get a squid?
Ooh, where's squid?
Let me get one.
Oh, squid. Good. I didn't see that.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
The tuna looks pretty legit. I'm gonna get the tuna.
Okay, I'll get tuna.
2 Broton,
I'll get the salmon too then.
2 orange clam, 2 scallop,
Oh, you get to pick a roll too, right?
Mm-hmm.
yellowtail scallion, or the win.
Yellowtail? Oh, fine, I'll get yellowtail. There's an eel roll.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't get the fresh skin.
Very California roll.
6, 7.
Ooh, abalone.
Look, we got a cute little room. So cute.
It looks like we're not being social, but we're looking at the menu.
That's okay. Cody got two of the pick 10s.
Cody's been waiting a long time for this.
Yeah, they're only open on
Do you
weekdays.
guys do the pick 10 for takeout?
Oh, no.
Oh, damn, okay. Thank you.
so many unis. 2 unis, 2 bonton ebbies, scallop, tuna. I don't know these.
Kanpachi amberjack,
Thank you.
yellowtail, but the fatty portion.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I should have got it.
Salmon.
What is it?
Orange clam, raw shrimp. The Spanish mackerel has a garlic sauce.
Okay.
And the sea ocean for everyone is from Maine.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Tuna. Oh, it already has wasabi in it. It has a good amount of salt though.
In terms of the hand sushi though, and price is pretty good.
It's pretty damn good, yeah.
That's the real question.
Okay, yeah. Is it cute? She got extensions. So after lunch, we went to the Rockefeller Center. It was really close. We actually didn't plan it, but we got some really cute photos. There wasn't really a wait at all, and we made sure to socially distance. And yeah, really cute impromptu photos here. We're at Magnolia's. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Thank you. Can you grab it? Hello, good morning. I'm vlogging today. It's Saturday. We're going for Cody's haircut. I'm waiting for his car to warm up, but okay, we're here. Oh yeah, it snowed a ton. Okay, it's right here. Our hair girl moved, or like the whole salon moved, so it's here now. So this is the ground level of the new salon. It's so cute. It's in Soho. It has 2 levels, and down below is Jamie's workstation, which is our hairstylist. I really liked the setup here. I just hung out here and waited for Cody to get his haircut. It was super cute. Just me being creepy and zooming in on him. And then we go and get lunch. So we're eating sushi. What's this one called? The deluxe?
Sushi deluxe.
Sushi deluxe. Can you tell us what is what?
Tuna, salmon, yellowtail, kanpachi, I think sea bass or fluke. I actually don't know what that is. It looks like shrimp. I don't know. Another salmon. This is yellowtail scallion. It's all the same. Uni, akura,
It smells really good.
spicy scallop, and this one's negitoro.
Thank you. Oh, here's Cody's haircut. It's the I want to eat face. So yeah, we just hung out in the car and ate some sushi. There was so much snow outside, so you know, really grateful to be able to eat in the car. And yeah, just enjoying sushi with Cody. We always love eating sushi for lunch. As you guys know, I do read the comments, and you guys always comment that. And yes, I do get really hungry when I edit these videos. And yes, I am trying to do more voiceovers. I just got a mic, so I'm trying to use it more. Let me know if you guys like these.
What you doing in the backseat? I always thought you were a front seat Cadillac burning.
Hello, we just finished eating. We picked up some boba. It was a little bit messy. We're going to Cody's mocking me. We're going to have like dinner with Trey. She moved into her apartment. I don't think I vlogged there, but she's my neighbor, so super duper exciting. So yeah, we're gonna have like a steak dinner with mushrooms and stuff. So we stopped here. There's a Fairway here, so we're going to pick up the steak. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Maybe I'll find some snacks or something, but so I forgot to vlog the whole thing because it was super busy and vlogging. I forgot to vlog, but this is what we got. So yeah, we just cooked dinner and ate with my best friend and her fiance at her new apartment. Hi guys, good morning. It's Sunday. It's Sunday after Christmas. So there's a space that I want to work out of. So I'm trying to move all of my items to the space, like you guys can see below, to film the video, like all of the stuff that I got for Christmas. I think it would be a really good like change of pace to kind of work out of a different space. So that'd be really exciting. I'll show you guys, bring you guys along. That's what I'm doing today. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I tried to do everything yesterday, but I forgot a few things, and also I forgot my memory card, like literally the most important thing. So what a fail, but we're gonna move on. Yeah, I think it would be a really good like change of pace. It's just like a plain area. Oh yeah, and I was about to head out, but I just wanted to say, like recently, or like for a few months, couple of months now, I've kind of just felt like really not motivated, not inspired. I think it happens like with all of the YouTubers that I watch. It's something that happens, and yeah, it's kind of tough to deal with. Like, you want to put content out there, but you're not really like, I don't know, at least for me, like there's so much that I want to do, but I just don't know how to execute it, or I never feel really motivated to do it. So I've just been dealing with that. I've still been trying to post. I still really like all the videos that I post. I think I'm still trying to find like my niche, or like what I'm good at, or the kind of content that people want to see from me. So I think I can like maybe brainstorm some more videos, but it's also like because of quarantine and lockdown and living at home, like just so much to deal with. I'm sure you guys can have felt it like some way or another. So it's just really hard to like maintain a full-time job and also like have a hobby that like requires you to be creative. So it's hard, but I'm really excited about this extra space, and I know it's like extra, like so much extra work to go there, bring all my stuff, film there when I can just film at home. But I really think it'll be a really nice like separation of space, work, and mind. So I'm just really excited, hopefully, and especially when it's getting cold, I can also like, I don't know, shoot some like Instagram content, because I've been really into Instagram recently. But yeah, I just like kind of wanted to explain it and explain myself, because like when I'm editing and I just say stuff, I always wish I went into more detail. So yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm here. I'm settled in. I like took off my jacket and stuff and hung it in here. It's gonna be really fun work out of here. I think I filmed a few videos in here in the past, like some like lookbooks and stuff, but this is going to be super duper exciting. But yeah, I'm not like moving out or living here. This is just for work, but it's super fun, and like I'm just like so excited. I feel like my creative juices are flowing again. But yeah, I brought a mirror, like an extra mirror that I have. I also brought a stool so I can sit on, like as a prop for stuff. Right here, this is like the living room space, but I'm gonna probably clean it up one of these days. And yeah, super exciting. I guess I'll just do like a time lapse of me getting set up for my video. But yeah, super exciting. There's like, but yeah, super exciting. There's so much light in here, so that's really good. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started before the sun goes down. So let's do it. Okay, so everything's all set up. I'm just gonna go ahead and film my video and then I'll pick up with you guys after. So here's a few shots I was testing out for my what I got for Christmas video. Hello! I just finished filming. It was so much fun. I also shot like a cute little outfit like right here. So cute. I'm just packing everything now and Cody is ordering us food. So we're gonna eat it in the car. We're gonna eat it in the car because there's no indoor dining right now and it's freezing cold outside. So lunch in the car. Lunch in the car. So. Alright, all done. We're gonna go get lunch. Okay, we're ordering pasta to pick up. The Roberta's we're going to go to actually has a smaller menu than we thought because it's takeout. So we're gonna get some pasta. This is our view. We're gonna eat our really late lunch now. It's like almost 5. We also picked up boba. I'm gonna take off my jacket. It's risotto and cheese balls. I wanted this, so I'm super excited. It smells so good.
Have you ever felt any of these streets?
Yeah.
It's
It's like meat
Bolognese.
and cheese. Bolognese. What do you think?
Have you ever built anything here?
I think we
We'll live
got
here
bread.
forever.
I'll live here forever. Cody, I can live anywhere. Ooh, this is the fettuccine fungi. Like,
Fungi?
Fungi.
Yeah, fungi.
Oh, we got so much bread. Oh, I could eat this forever. This is like a plain red pasta. Meatballs. Cody wanted meatballs. Ooh, there's a dog. And vegetables.
Where's the sauce?
There's so much sauce. Here it is in its glory.
Love this veggie.
What veggie?
This is the anchovy sauce. I love this.
Oh, can I put it here?
Smell it.
Oh, this looks really good. Good pick. So yeah, this is us just eating pasta. I really would recommend this place. It's super cute and you can try out a bunch of different kinds of pasta that they have to offer. It's super fun to eat and I really loved this shot of the city skyline in the sunset. So pretty. Thanks for watching.